In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Cloudflare to manage your account members effectively. We're going to walk through a few simple steps that will help you invite new members or manage existing ones with ease. Let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open your web browser of choice and head to the Cloudflare website. If you're not familiar with Cloudflare, it's a popular website performance and security company known for its robust CDN services and comprehensive web security measures. Once you type in Cloudflare in your search bar, click through to their site and let's get started. After landing on the home page, you'll want to look for the Manage Account section. This is usually located in a straightforward drop-down or menu option on the site's navigation bar. Clicking on Manage Account will bring up a submenu. The option we need here is Members. When you select Members, you're entering a section where you can review all individuals who have access to your Cloudflare account. This is an essential feature for teams or businesses, as managing who can make changes to your account is crucial for maintaining security and efficient operations. Now, within the Members page, you'll notice an Invite button. This is your gateway to adding new members to your account. A simple click will allow you to begin the process. If you already have a list of members and you're looking for someone specifically, there's also a search bar to help you find them quickly without needing to scroll through potentially long lists. The interface is designed to be intuitive, which makes managing your members a breeze. Once you've clicked Invite, you'll be prompted to fill in some basic details regarding the person you wish to add. It's important to ensure that this information is accurate, as it will directly impact how the new member accesses and interacts with your Cloudflare resources. After entering their information, follow the prompts to send the invitation. When new members receive their invite, they simply need to accept it on their end to gain access. Remember, managing who has access to your resources is crucial since it can directly affect your security and workflow. Make sure to regularly review your member list to ensure all the right people have access and remove anyone who no longer needs it. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, you've just learned how to manage account members in Cloudflare effectively. It's a straightforward process, but one that's incredibly important for maintaining control and security over your web services. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.